This is the first episode of Felipe the Ant, but I don't know where he's hiding. Guess I don't know where he's hiding. By the way, guys, this is Felipe the Ant. Can you see him? I know he's hiding in a cave. See him right there. Oh, nag-fighting. Wait, I will find it. Oh, there's nothing.
Miggy, halika dito.
Why?
Halika.
Wait lang, nag-video ako.
Halika dito, tira mo to.
Ura! Ay, ang video. Wait. I will hit you with a metal bar, bro. Oh, look, there's Felipe the Ant. If you see him crazy eyes. But look, he's over there. You see him? The color black. I mean color black. See his move?
Dali na! Swarm na tayo! One, two, three.
By the way, guys,
Four lang sila.
my cactus cave fruit. Look at this. So cute. Hello. I will kill you. Stop. Sapakan ko mukha mo.
Yung marami ko tong.
Go look. It's his little cave. Sumbong kita sa nanay ko, nagmumura ka. Sige ka.
Kain na siya makakapunta dito. Diba?
Wait. Oh, yes. Yes. It's his house. His name is Felipe. Bye, guys. See you in part 2. Bye.